All right, so today we are unboxing the Apple's MacBook M1. This is like the first Apple's laptop which is powered by their own silicon. So let's see what's inside.
You want me to?
Tearing off the seal. Yeah, here we go. All right, so we are greeted with the sleek and minimalistic MacBook M1. I mean, the most important thing is what's inside. So let's check all the other accessories. We get a 30 watts USB-C power adapter and a cable. No surprises here. All right, so now back to the start of the show. Whoa, lifting the lid feels so smooth. Yeah. Let's power this thing up and see how it looks like. Nothing too crazy. I just love how it powered up so quickly. Yeah, so this is basically the first look of the MacBook M1. Simple unboxing, but what really matters is what's inside. So stay tuned for a full review.